it's Wxy. Welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since last time I've posted my video. Today I'm going to share this cow print nail design. Let's get started. First, let's apply a layer of base coat and cure. Next, I'm going to use this cream color as my base today. If you do not have a cream color, white color can do the job as well. Apply second layer for the opacity. Prepare a dotting tool. The one I'm using here has two ends. One is thicker and one is thinner. If you do not have a dotting tool, you can use bobby pin to replace it as well. It works the same. Using the dotting tool to pick up some black painting gel, creating a few uneven patches on the base randomly. After I have done these few patches, I decided to cure first to avoid smudging. To make it more natural, I'm going to use another side of the dotting tool to create more smaller patches. After you think you have enough patches, cure it. Apply a layer of strengthened gel to make the surface even. After that, let's apply a layer of non-wipe top coat and cure. So the design is done. To make it easier for beginners, so I made it to be a whole nail design, but if you can do it as a half and half design, which I think it would be cool as well. The similar technique can be used on this quail egg design as well, which is very popular nowadays. So that's it for today. Please comment down below if you have any idea or design that you would like to watch in my channel. I will be more than happy to look at it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!